Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. Crawford Corporation incurred the following transactions: purchased raw materials on account $46,300, raw materials of $36,000 were requisitioned to the factory. An analysis of the materials requisition slips indicated that $6,800 was classified as indirect materials. Factory labor cost incurred were $59,900, of which $51,000 pertained to factory wages payable and $8,900 pertained to employer payroll taxes payable. Time tickets indicated that $54,000 was direct labor and $5,900 was indirect labor. Manufacturing overhead costs incurred on account were $80,500. Depreciation on the company's office building was $8,100. Manufacturing overhead was applied at the rate of 150% of the direct labor cost. Goods costing $88,000 were completed and transferred to finished goods. Finished goods costing $75,000 to manufactured were sold on account for $103,000. Correct answer is Crawford Corporation's transactions for the period include raw materials purchased on account $46,300, raw materials requisitioned to the factory $36,000 into direct and $6,800 indirect. Factory labor costs $59,900 with $54,000 direct labor and $5,900 indirect labor. Manufacturing overhead costs incurred $80,500. Depreciation on office building $8,100. Completed goods transferred to finished goods $88,000. Finished goods costing $75,000 sold for $103,000. Manufacturing overhead applied at 150% of direct labor cost. Analysis shows an effective cost management strategy with a clear allocation of direct and indirect costs, sound use of overhead rates tied to direct labor, and successful production and sales processes resulting in a profit margin on finished goods. Proper recording and analysis of transactions are essential for effective financial management and decision making within the company. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.